Hello, today we are going to learn about searching in arrays. What is searching? That's what we are going to see in this. In this particular table of content, we have introduction. There is a process to determine whether a given item is present in the array or not. We will see two different types of search, linear search and binary search. And what is the logic behind it? The logic is each element is checked and compared with the array element until it reaches the data item. And the programs that we are going to explore today is about search by number, search by character, and search by string. Come on, let's go. Search. What is searching? This is one of the basic operations of array. It is a process to determine whether a given item is present in the array or not. And there are two ways of search. One is linear search, other one is binary search. So where you are learning searching technique through Scoremaster ICSE computer application YouTube channel. So linear search. What is linear search? In linear search, the search begins at the start, that is in the left hand side, and it continues one after the other, and each element is checked and compared with the array element until it reaches the data item. So that means an array item is given and the search is checked with each and every element of the array. So the example goes like this. Given an array M of n elements, we have tried a function to search a given element n as in M. So case 1, M is 1, 2, 3, 8, 6, 5, 11, 10, 13, 17. These are the elements. The number to be searched is 11. So the number to be searched will be compared with each and every element of the array. So here 11 is found as an element of the array, so it has to give number found. In case 2, if you see, we have 1, 2, 8, 3, etc. But the element to be found, I had given 175, where 175 is not present in the array. So this is how the search will work. So a simple approach to do linear searches: start from the leftmost element and compare one by one. If the element matches with the element, return the index value. Otherwise, it will return the index value as -1. If the element is not there, the return value will be -1. So here, this is how the search will work. So the elements, these are the elements of the array given, and this is the number to be searched. What will happen here? Come on, let's explore. 87 will be compared with 21. 87 is not equal to 21. It comes back. 87 is compared with 36. It is not equal to 36. It's come back. 87 will be compared with 55. Both are not equal. 87 is compared with 6. Again, both are not equal. 87 is compared with 87, it is equal. So what will happen here is the element is found. So this is how the search works. So you'll be having a group of array elements. You'll be having the number to be searched. The number to be searched will be compared with each and every element of the array. So now come on, let's see what are things are very important for this linear search. So easy way to remember linear search: we need 4 variables, we need 2 loops, 2 inputs and 2 conditions. So 4, 2, 2, 2 is an easy method that you have to remember. 4 variables, 2 loops, 2 inputs and 2 conditions. So what are these conditions? The first one is the variables to be declared. So what are the variables to be declared? We have I as a looping variable, ns as the number to be searched, k equal to 0 is a flag variable, and int m of is equal to new int of 10 as an array variable. So we have 4 different variables in this. Okay. The second one is what are the inputs that we are going to give. We have 2 inputs. One is m of I, which is array input. The next one is ns, which is the number to be searched. The third one is a looping variable. Again, we have 2 loops. One is to take the array input. Another one is before checking we will be using a loop. And the fourth one is we are comparing with 2 conditions. One is m of I, that is array variable, is compared with the number to be searched, and the second one is k equal to 1, that is a flag character which is forcibly made to 1. Okay, the fifth one is the output. We have the output will say whether the element is found or not found. Okay, so these are variables as we have discussed, 4 variables, I, ns, k equal to 0, m of I, that is the array variable. So now we are going to learn each and every program by executing it. So we are going to learn three programs. One is search by number, search by character, and search by string. Come on, let's explore. So I'm just starting the new class. I'm just giving linear search. So the linear search program is now here. So the program goes like this. So I'll be using import java.util.star. The next one, what am I using? What am I supposed to use is the class name. So I'm just giving class linear search. Then I'm directly using void main. As we have discussed, what are the four different variables? So I'm just giving int I is the looping variable, ns is the number to be searched, and k equal to 0 is the flag variable. So three variables are declared. Along with it, I'm declaring even array variable int m of is equal to new int of. Since I'm taking 10 elements, I'm giving 10. That means I am having 10 elements in the given array. Now I am also declaring the scanner class. Scanner n is equal to new scanner of system.in. So scanner class is declared, and what is the criteria for I equal to 0? I is less than 10, I plus plus. Now I am taking the input, so I use a curly brackets, but before that, if I give, it will be better. System.out.println, enter the elements of the array one by one. That is what is a message I'm giving. So inside the for loop, I'm just giving m of, now it will become I, because m of 0, m of 1, it goes on like this. So m of I equal to in dot next int. Now I'm closing the curly brackets because the for loop is over. Again, I'm just giving one more variable called as because I have to take two inputs. The first input is the array input. The second input will be system.out.println, enter the number to be searched. So I'm giving enter the number to be searched. Number to be searched is stored in ns. So ns is equal to in dot next int. So I'm just giving here in dot next int. The next one is before checking, I'm using one more looping variable. So I just copy this looping variable, I paste it here so that you make it fast. So now I'm just checking the variable. What am I supposed to check? So before I'm just putting a curly bracket so that it goes inside. Giving my curly brackets, I'm checking if m of I is equal to the number to be searched. If this number is found, I am making k is equal to 1. Initially k value was 0. I forcibly make k equal to 1 and I close the curly brackets. And here I am just checking if k is equal to 1. I am just printing the element is found or the element is not found. So I'm just pasting it here. The element is found. Otherwise, I'm just giving else. Just giving the element is not found. So that's all in this program. As we have discussed earlier, you can see I have four variables I, number to be searched k equal to 0, and the array variable. I have two inputs, one is m of I, another one is ns, and I have used two looping, one is before taking the input, other one is before comparison, and I'm comparing it here. The comparison is if m of I is equal to ns, so if it is equal to ns, the flag variable k equal to 0 is forcibly made as k equal to 1. Now I am just checking whether k is equal to 1. K will become 1 if the element is present, so it will directly print it. Come on, let's compile and check it once. So I'm compiled it, and I'm just checking by giving a raw input. So right clicking on it, void main, enter the elements one by one. I'm giving few elements. So now it's asking for the number to be searched. I give 34, the element is found. What if I give a wrong number? It will say the element is not found. Let us just try. I'm giving the element, I'm giving 12, the element is not found. So this is how the element, it will just check whether an element is present or not by using the linear search. Hope this is very useful for you. I'm just putting the program here so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so this is all about linear search program. Hope you understood linear search by using the number. So how to search an element of the array by using the linear search. So this is the program, and please do go through the program once. Okay, coming to the second method is search for a character in a string. The program will go with a slight modification because I'm going to make this as a character array, char. So I'm just changing this also into char. Let me make it as 8. Let me make it as 8 so that I have 8 characters here. I'm just deleting it. I just delete this and I just make char character to be searched. I'm just making cs character to be searched. So what am I doing here? Enter the characters of the array. So I'm just giving CHARACTERS, characters of the array one by one. So let me give it as 8. Here whenever I'm going to take the character input, it is m of I is equal to in dot next of char at 0. This is how I take the input. I just copy this because the next one also will be the same input. Here it will be n dot next dot char at 0, and this also enter the character to be searched. Enter the character to be searched. I'm just changing even the looping variable here. I'm making it 8. Okay, so the character is found. Character is found, and here I'm just giving character is not found. Okay, so I'm just giving character to be searched. So this one was CS, and this is also I'm giving it as CS. Okay, so if I compile, it will compile properly, and when I give it here, I give the character, each and every character of the word computer. So I'm just giving COMPUTER. Computer, I'm giving enter the character to be searched. I'm giving U, it will say the character is found. Okay, if I execute the other way around, so void main, I'm just giving COMPUTER. I'm just asking it to find a value A. The character is not found. So this is how you execute the character array. Hope you understood the character array value, how to go about it. So this is what is about linear search using characters. Okay, Hope you would have understood the concept of this linear search using the character. So you can just execute it and check it if you want. You can just take a screenshot of this and then check it. Okay, the third one is how to search for a name. So you have 10 names. How do we do that? So same thing, what am I doing? Instead of character, I just change it into string. So I change everything to a string array. I'm making it a string. Here also I make it as a string. It is not a integer or character. So I'm just making it as a string. I can give 8 names. So string input will be in dot next. So I'm just giving in dot next. Let me give 8 names only and then check it. Here what am I doing is I'm just using dot equals. Usually it will work, but still we have to use the string functions to make it work properly. So compile it. Okay, fine. If I compile, it works properly. I give 8 strings here, that is 8 names here, and I have to find whether the name is available or not. I'm just giving cat, dog, bat, rab, pig, lion, tiger, crocodile. Just giving, enter the string to be searched. I'm just giving dog. The dog is found, the name is found. Okay, otherwise also if the name is not found, I'm just making few changes. The name is found, the name is not found, enter name to be searched, enter names one by one. So compiling it, so you get the same output here. I'm just entering 10 different names. I can just give Ram, Raj, Rini, Lois, Rabba, Indira, Shanta, Babu. So like this I'm giving. I'm just searching for the name Raju. Let's say the name is not found. So this is how you search even for the string array. So the basic principle of the linear search is taking 4 different inputs, declaring 4 different variables, taking 2 inputs, taking making 2 conditions, using 2 loops, and finally printing the value. Hope you all enjoy the session, and you would have understood the concept of this, or understood the concept behind this. So please do practice so that you make a very good use of it.